How to make the best coffee jelly the easy way. Hello there. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will help you how to prepare the easiest way to make your coffee jelly. If you're looking for a delicious and easy way to start your day, look no further than coffee jelly. This breakfast treat is perfect for those mornings when you need an energy boost to get you going. With only a few simple ingredients, you can have a delicious and healthy breakfast that will keep you going all morning long. What is coffee jelly? Coffee jelly is a dessert that is made from coffee, gelatin, and sugar. It is usually served cold and can be eaten as either a main course or a dessert. Coffee jelly is a popular dish in Japan, where it is known as coffe. Variations on the recipe. There are many variations on the recipe for coffee jelly. One popular variation is to add whipped cream and chocolate sauce to the dessert. You can also add different flavors to the coffee syrup, such as vanilla or hazelnut. Ingredients you need: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled. ½ cup cold water. 1/4 cup sugar. 3 ounces, packaged strawberry gelatin mix. Whipped cream or ice cream, for topping, optional. Here's how you make it. In a medium bowl, combine the coffee, water, and sugar. Stir until the sugar has 2. Pour the mixture into a blender, and add the gelatin mix. Blend until smooth. 3. Pour the mixture into 4 glasses, and refrigerate for 2 hours or until set. 4. Top with whipped cream or ice cream, if desired. Serve immediately. So what are you waiting for? Start your day off right with a delicious and healthy coffee jelly breakfast. With such a simple recipe, you'll be able to whip this up in no time at all. So why not try it today? You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment your thoughts down below and subscribe to the channel for more coffee videos.